your door. This is your video, Zach.
My parts. They're here.
Fragile.
Yeah, I don't know how to feel about that. Like,
yeah,
I'm not sure if it's a good thing, like they take care of it, or if it's fragile where it's gonna break. So, we'll see.
What?
Cipher Auto.
Cipher Auto. Zach got a harness bar, so he can use his harnesses properly and not murder himself. He's about that life. He already took the seat out super fast.
Right. I've been waiting for this all week.
You ordered it, what, Thursday?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the interesting thing about this is when I usually see harness bars out of 240s and such, they don't have these support beams.
Yeah. And that's why I talked to a lot of people about these supports too.
And they said...
I guess so, like, what they've told me is that if a harness bar has these supports on the end, there's a weak point in the actual harness bar.
So what I was saying.
They use these, yeah, to, you know, make it a little stronger. So, I don't know. Guess we'll find out.
I guess we will find out. Are there instructions?
Yeah, right there.
Did you get mad stickers?
Did I get mad stickers?
I don't know. Did you?
I don't know. We'll find out. I'm going to box everything. I have to hear that every time I turn.
It takes a corner. Shh.
Oh, it's all in here.
Oh, like sand? What the hell is that?
No. Maybe it's like the
material? Oh, is the finish crinkly?
Maybe.
Oh, okay, that's what it is.
Might have been like the roughness of that. Yeah, I think it might be just a powder coating.
Couple little things on there. Oh, look, it's riveted on. It's official.
There she is.
Yeah, you might want to give that a good shake before you. Okay, and then there's the supports. There's that, which I guess has the hardware in it. He has a coupon. No, sorry, a proof of purchase. You have a limited lifetime warranty. This was assembled in the... It says assembled in the USA.
Damn it, USA.
But it wasn't...
We try to buy American things. And then...
Right, this is what happens. It comes unassembled. I mean, we could get it to an assembler. We know a couple of assemblers, right?
Right.
Let's see. I love how all these fancy things now come with, like, their own special Ziploc bag or whatever. Cipher Performance Series, inspired to race. Are you inspired to race, Zsor?
I mean, I do on occasion.
He's inspired to race. Here's the instructions. And the first thing it says, there's a main crossbar, 2 support bars, and an accessory box. He has the accessory box. See, and this is the thing. They go right into it saying, set the main crossbar without tightening all the way. Leave wiggle room for adjustment purposes.
And it's like, what bolt?
Bitch! Where?
Right? Like they just assume I know.
Right, so then you go through it. They give you more instructions. And
I like to take everything apart. You know
they give you a picture of what it's supposed to look like. But again, they're not telling you what has to come off. So...
And like, I wish they'd let me know if I can keep my stock seatbelts in too. Because like, my passenger's not always going to want to put the harnesses on.
Right. Well, I don't know. Once the brackets are in, these are really shitty ass instructions.
Thank you, Cipher Auto. I will be leaving everything.
Oh, wait. Are there brackets in there?
Yeah.
Okay, those are the brackets that you have to put under your seat. So those bolt up to it, the support beams. Like they bolt on the back here.
That way you have one. Yeah.
Oh, you put your back seats in.
Yeah, they're coming out right now.
Do you get the? You know how when you have the back windows open in the car?
The whoa.
Yeah, you get that with your back seats out, so you may want to wait on that.
Well, I'll take the bottom part out.
Yeah, the bottom part. Well, yeah, because that's gonna be the shit
to
take
take
out.
everything out, like the hardware stuff, because that's really what weighs the most.
What hardware? You don't have seatbelts or anything. You put the seatbelts back in?
Yeah, I had passengers, so if I didn't have
In the back?
Yeah. I didn't have a passenger seat for 8 months.
Oh, true.
Remember?
Yeah, I'm not putting my back seats back in ever. So
I need to order the rear seat delete when I get some extra money. I've been buying some extra car parts lately.
yeah, if you guys need work done at Parker Performance, we are readily available to do work on your Mustang.
And other stuff too. I mean, whatever you want.
Yeah, we do.
Whatever you need.
Dodge darts. We don't do Hondas. I'm kidding. We do Hondas.
We do everything.
Everything. As long as it fits inside this garage. So with the harness bar, it does look like you do not use your stock seat belts.
Oh well. So that comes off, and then there's a hex bit in there.
Right. Which where's the harness bar? You should be able to keep your stock seat belts.
Yeah. What?
Because just think about it, having to take all of this off to take the actual reel out.
I'm thinking that I can just put the harness bar over this or behind.
All right,
this.
so like have this back in the harness bar here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I can have this. I can still have the stock seatbelt in.
Right.
So the impact is what I need.
Impact is what he needs. I'm just gonna swoop. Now here's the bracketry. So we're gonna get the bar in, and we're gonna come back. So Zach has already loosened. What do you call this? The seatbelt holder fastener thingy that sits right up here. He's losing it on the other side as we speak. You will have to remove your seat as the support beams are going to come. They have an L bracket which comes from here over and goes up.
And it's just easier to move around in here with no seats in.
Yeah, that's what he. And what he thinks would be clever is we're going to take like these spacers. We're going to take one of these spacers out and have it like that. So that'll be cool. And I don't know if he's done anything or if he's going to do anything about this. But if you guys know what resistor to buy to keep the airbag light from going on, please leave that in the comment section. Yes. So we can do that to all of our cars.
Please.
I don't know if there's a plug you guys kit or, like I said, if there's some form of wire that needs to jump from one pin to the other. But we would greatly, greatly appreciate it.
Trying to break that.
Yeah. So the bar itself is in. As you can see, what we ended up doing is using. Well, they don't have any instructions on their website. They said there's a video. There's no video. So we did bolt, harness bar, followed by the seat belt and a small spacer. If you have an S550 and you are doing this, you will have 3 spacers total. 2 larger black ones, pun intended, like this. And then you'll have a silver one that's smaller. And the silver one stays, but the 2 black ones gotta go.
I almost think maybe the black one of each black one stays. Just because how much they're pushed in. I kind of think we should take it off and do it with these. Unfortunately.
Put one of each in?
Yeah.
I mean, we can.
Yeah. Because like they were pushed in way too much.
So now we're gonna try adding 1 black one on each side. So, good news. The 1 black, 1 silver worked. So next thing are the cross supports, which look like this. And then once those are in, we put the seats in, and then we put the harness in. Oh, what is... How many support bars did you get? Oh, this is another sideways picture.
Yeah, it's a sideways picture.
Why would they? So fucking stupid. Okay. That's what's next. They're adjustable, right?
Yeah.
No.
Shoot back.
Oh, jeez. I don't even know. Like,
Yes.
why do you have a bracket with 2 holes in it?
It's a good question. You should have Cipher auto for that one.
As always, NCS.
So they obviously go like this on each side. The spacers, I don't know what they're for.
Oh, probably for the other side, eh?
That makes sense, yeah. The back's gonna sit lopsided.
Right, so I can sit like this. It's the only thing that makes sense.
Yeah, that makes sense. They go like that and that. Okay.
Then each set gets a rod with a washer and a nut. Or a bolt.
So that means I have to put my seat in.
Well, no, you want to tighten those first and then put the seat on.
On the top, because I can't tighten those without putting the seat in. Because look, you use these bolts right here. Put in.
Right, but the rod you can connect to that.
Yeah, but I mean,
Because once the rod's in, that's gonna be once the seat's in, that's gonna be a bitch to tighten.
yeah. Well, I'll start by putting these up, and then. That goes right there, and this will go right there. Which just has to go down a little bit more. There. Now we'll just test it to see. That's about right.
Yep.
Maybe I'll tighten it up a little bit more. Just loosen that up. Turn this way. That should be good. On that side.
So we do know the way because the seats are going back in. When you have these brackets, you got to make sure that this piece sits in front of the bracket, not behind it,
And it's a lot easier if you put one of your bolts in here and have it hold it so you can actually ratchet it because it's a lock nut on it. And then just take it back out when you're done, but it makes it easier to ratchet this tight.
Alright, so support bars are in, seats are going in, which is going to secure this as well.
Correct.
And then he's going to feed through the harness bars, and I can't wait for the finished product. Oh shit, he's gonna do it now.
No, I'll just give you what it looks like. Something like that.
Shit like that.
Yep. You let this in.
There you go, mate.
Thanks to that.
We call this the big bitch.
1,100 foot-pounds of nut busting.
Zach's gonna go ahead and go for a spin with the new harness, which
Because I had to move the seat back, so
right now he's only put in one, if you can see that right here. Open your door. It's not telescoping?
What?
The steering wheel.
It's not the steering wheel, it's the pedal.
You can smell the ethanol. So this right here will be your finished product. He went out for a drive, everything fits fine, he can still bang gears and everything. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Parker Performance. Look us up on Instagram. And we will see you guys next time. Goodbye.
Replicate the way it was built on the factory side. So the first thing you're going to do, actually when you get it, you're going to have this retaining clip will be on here. You need